hold. Act number 98 is on hold. We are moving forward with act number 99. Act number 99 is a 9 to 10 Broadway up-tempo solo. Please give a warm welcome to Putting It Together.
Nice, George. Have to pay a price, George. I'd like to give advice, George. Don't think about it twice, George. It's time to get to work. Art isn't easy, even when you're hot. Advancing art is easy. Financing is not. A vision, just a vision that's only in your head. If no one gets to hear it, it's as good as dead. It has to come to life. Bit by bit, we're together. Piece by piece, a way to make a work of art. Everyone makes a contribution. Every little detail plays a part. Having just a vision, so solution. Everything depends on execution. We're together. That's what counts. Otherwise, it's risky from the start. Take a little cocktail conversation. We've got the proper preparation. After the vision goes to motion. Depends on execution. Art of making art is coming together bit by bit. By link, connections, yes we do. By drinking every comment as it comes. And to play the politician. Piano, bass, and drums. Where you find your composition. Art is easy. Every minor detail is some major decision. Have to keep things in scale. Have to hold to your vision. So a cocktail conversation gets the funds for your foundation. And I start to feel defensive. I remember file is expensive. Maybe one. By dot, bring up the image. Shot by shot to the end distance doesn't pay. So remember your objective. A little bit of privacy away. A little bit of hype can be effective. While you can keep it in perspective. Soon you do that recognition. And do you still audition? Art isn't easy. Overnight you're a trend. You're the right combination. Then the trends and then somebody's last year's sensation. One is repetition. Other really like is what they know. Gotta keep awake with their conviction. Learn to trust your intuition. Fire establish your position. Let you be an exhibit. So let your work can be an exhibition. New George. They tell you to their blue George. You're here or else you're through, George. And even if it's true, George, do what you can do. Bit by bit, we together. Piece by piece, working on a vision that entails taking time and perseverance. With a little luck along the way, need a personal appearance, gathering supporters and adherents. Mapping out the songs with addition, harmonizing each negotiation. Zones of part that's all existent, part that's strictly presentation. Sounds in line with the mission, forever the perfect orchestration. If you do have the suspicion, taking all your concentration. The art of making art is putting together bit by bit, bit by beat, part by part, sheet by sheet, chart by chart, by bit by bit, by beat by beat, by part by sheet by chart by chart.